Hey gang, CJ from Excelsior Bodywork. You know me from the clinic room. I'm here with a CARS instructional video. So the elbows, we get this rotation, supination and pronation in the elbows, along with flexion, right? So it'll go like this. Keep the arms out like this, make a fist, turn the palms all the way up. So that's supination. Flex, get as much flexion as you can. You might get a bicep cramp here. So I'm keeping as much supination, that's palms up, as I can, with as much flexion. When I get to the top, I'm gonna turn down, pronation, extend, supination, flexion, pronation, extension. See, making that circle. Now keep that the same, keep pronation, but now flex and supinate in, flexion, back to extension. There's that circle. So you want the elbow to do both of those things, and you want them to be able to do both without a compensation. We did those at the same time. You could do that. You could certainly do them singularly. Wrists, similar idea. Let's just do one. Keeping the forearm in perfect supination. I'm going to pull the knuckles back down, and then I'm going to pull to the pinky, and then I'm going to knuckles up and send the thumb away, and you'll note that circle. Right? So there's not a ton of movement to the thumb. That's called radial deviation. There's not a ton of that, but it's an important motion. And you might get some Rice Krispies here, snack, crackle, pop, as you roll through your wrists. That's okay as long as they're not painful. It's just the clinical term is crepitus. As long as those cracks don't hurt, that's a-okay. Might be a sign that you need to do this more. So there's my wrist circle, my wrist car. That's extension, deviation, flexion. Ulnar deviation is the other way. So the compensation here is if you start to pull into pronation. Try not to do that. A good cue would be to rest something on your forearm and don't let go of that. Don't rotate the forearm, and then that's kind of proof positive that you're moving the wrist joint and the wrist joint only.